Another day and another scammer trying to pretend like they make millions of dollars a year day trading. Simply not true. Now, I've done videos on day traders in the past. The majority of day traders do not make any money at all. There have been plenty of research papers that have been done about this all over the world, from Korea to Brazil to America. They have done this. They have followed day traders for years. The majority of them do not make money. It's about 98% of people will lose money in the long term day trading. About 2% of people will actually make money, but of those 2% of people, most of them will make about minimum wage. No one, literally no one, is getting rich day trading. It's just a fact. Now, one thing I want to point out about day trading, because I know people will leave comments saying you absolutely can make money day trading. I'm not saying you can't make money. I'm saying that you can't make a consistent full-time income doing this. There's absolutely days that you can make money. You can make money for potentially weeks or months, but eventually you will get to the point where you will lose the majority or all of your money day trading. It's just a fact. There have been research that have been done about this for years. It is the truth. However, despite that truth, despite the fact that literally everyone will lose money day trading in the long term, there are plenty of people, specifically on YouTube as well as TikTok as well, who are promoting the day trading lifestyle. People really want to get involved in this day trading, especially a bunch of introverts, people who want to work from home, not have a boss, not have to go to work. They can just sit at their computer for 2-3 hours a day and earn, $100,000 a year. It's simply not true. All of these people are trying to sell you something, and we'll go over exactly what that is. So specifically, we were talking about a channel called Humbled Trader today. Now, this is Humbled Trader's YouTube channel, and you can see they're quite successful. They have 884,000 subscribers. And one thing I have to point out is that this is actually a channel run by a woman. Now, most of these channels, which are designed primarily to sell you a course, they're scammers. Most of them are run by men. So I think this channel is actually the first one I'm covering that is run by a woman. So congratulations to her. You are the first female scammer that I am covering. But if you actually go to her actual website that she owns, humbledtrader.com. This is her right here. Her name is Shay. She is as far as she is telling people, she is a full-time day trader who lives in Vancouver, Canada, and trades on the US stock market primarily. Now, if you come over to her channel, I'm going to show you why this lady just isn't legitimate. So what I did was I sorted by the most popular. The most popular video on her channel is a video called A Day in the Life of a Millennial Day Trader. I already have it pulled up here, and this is the video right here. We're going to take a brief look at one of the clips, so let's take a look at this.
About 6:20 and 10 minutes before the market opens. This is a time for me to do any last-minute stretches and prepare before the market opens. And from 6:30 to around 8 a.m. is where I do the most active trading. This is usually the time when the markets are the most volatile and provide us a lot of ranges to trade to the upside and the downside. A lot of people think, oh, when you're
Okay, so that's pretty much, this video is 10 minutes long, and that's pretty much all she talks about day trading for the entire video, okay? So from 6:30 to 8 a.m. is all she's doing day trading, so for an hour and a half. Now, the rest of the video is basically just her living her life, doing whatever she wants. I know most of you probably saw the title that she's a pole dancer. She does do pole dancing classes in her day as well. So basically, this entire video is designed, probably shouldn't leave it at that part. The whole video is designed to get you to get interested in this lifestyle that seems very easy. All you have to do is day trade for an hour and a half, 2 hours a day, and then you can do whatever you want for the rest of the day. It's just that simple, guys. It's such an easy lifestyle. Now, if you actually come to the detail part of the video, and this is true for every single day trader channel, whether that be on YouTube or TikTok or whatever influencer platform there is, every single day trader, you go into the details and you will always find, what do you know, right here, first link at the top of the page is a link to her course. So she has a course that she's selling. You can join. And that course, she has two options. One is $14.90 a year or $149 a month. So she actually has a membership. A lot of these people just sell a one-time course fee. You actually have to pay $14.90 a month, $14.90 a year, sorry, or $150 every single month to be in her actual class where she teaches you stuff. That is absolutely insane. This right here, this is how she actually makes her money. It's not from day trading, because people who day trade will eventually lose all their money. It's just a fact, 100% fact. Everyone loses money day trading long term. You can do it short term, you can make money, but long term you will not come out top. come out on top. This is how she makes the majority of her money. Now, a couple things that are really odd about her channel. If you actually go, I sorted by newest, and you can actually scroll down and you can see that none of her videos where she never actually live streams her actual day trading. Now, one thing I have to give credit to Ross Cameron, he's another day trader I made a video on. Ross Cameron actually shows some of his day trades, and I've explained that in the past. You can make money day trading, but you won't make a significant amount of money long-term to live off of. He makes the majority of his money from his courses, but he at least shows his day trading live in some videos. This lady, no matter how long you scroll through her page, you will never find a live stream of her day trading live. She never shows it to you in any of her videos. That's a big red flag. Someone who supposedly makes hundreds of thousands of years, this is her full-time income day trading, never once will she show you her actual day trading live. Now, what's really interesting is if you actually go to one of her newer videos, don't go to the older videos because she doesn't really look at those very often, but if you go to the newer videos, all you have to do, and don't type something mean, just type something really nice. Can I see your day trades live? Just type something like that, leave a comment, and what'll happen is within a day or two, this comment that I just posted will disappear because this lady actively goes through her channel and removes all comments about people asking to see her live day trades because she doesn't want anyone to ask that question because she doesn't actually show that to people. Now, one way that this lady could actually shut me up is to actually show her day trading live. She's never done that. Probably never will because I don't actually think she does day trading at all. I actually think she does it very little, if at all, at this point. Her main source of income is the course. And actually look at her channel, and most of it is just like generic stock advice. That's what her channel is all about. And she'll occasionally put out the video that I showed you, most popular, a day in the life of a millennial day trader. Now, if you click on any one of these, it doesn't matter which one I click on, right?
Would you be interested?
If you click on any one of them, all of them have her day trading course that you can sign up as the very first link at the top of the page, right? The course that costs $14.90 a year or $150 a month. This is where the money is, right? I've talked about this in the past. The gold rush in California in the 1800s, there were hundreds of thousands of people who came out here to make money trying to pan for gold. The majority of them, I think like 99.9% of them, did not make significant money. However, there were a bunch of businesses that sprouted up, and they sold jeans and food and a bunch of shovels and stuff to all of these people who were mining gold. Those companies got incredibly rich. That is what this lady is doing. She's selling a course, teaching people how to day trade, and she makes a ton of money off of it. And there's no risk involved in this with her, right? With you, if you take her course and you start day trading, there is significant risk, especially if you want to actually do day trading successfully, you have to have a margin account. And if you go in the hole in a margin account, you're going to lose a ton of money. There's no margin calls or anything involved in this course. She gets her money every single month from you. There's very little risk for her, and she can continue to make a ton of money. Now, the final thing that I want to point out about Humble Trader, if you actually scroll down to her bio, you can see all of her actual social media links, and you can see that she's very active on YouTube, 884,000 subscribers, Instagram, 85,000 followers, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. She's very active on all of these platforms. Now, if day trading was her main source of income, she would not have the time, or at least she would not want to put the time and effort into all of these social media platforms. I have a YouTube channel. I have 3 YouTube channels, actually, and 2 of them I've been neglecting because I've been mainly focusing on this channel, right? I understand how difficult it is just to run a couple of YouTube channels. It would be insanely difficult to maintain all of these social media platforms, to post on them regularly, and also have a full-time income or full-time job day trading. The reason that she puts so much time and effort into all of her social media platforms is because this is the real moneymaker. It's designed to funnel you to her course. Her course right here, this is the moneymaker. This is why she's so active on all these social media platforms. This is why she focuses on this, because this is the money right here. If she was actually day trading, making hundreds of thousands or millions a year, that is what she would be focusing on. She would not be focusing on putting out videos almost every single day or every couple days on Humble Trader, she would be focusing
much
on her
money
actually day trading business. So there you go. Like I've talked in the past, day trading is a scam. Everyone will eventually lose money. Do not buy into this. It's designed to funnel you to courses. If you ever see someone promoting day trading, always look for their course, because every single one of them always has a course that they're selling.